Most people think confidence comes before action. Here's the truth. Confidence is the result of action, not the reason to start. Give me 3 minutes, and I'll make you dangerously confident. Yes, dangerously. Like walk into a room and suddenly everyone wonders if you're a superhero kind of confident. Reframe confidence. Affirmations don't work. Saying, "I am confident" 100 times in the mirror is not going to make your boss stop staring at you like you're a confused squirrel. Motivation doesn't last. Some days motivation is like a cat, shows up when it wants and disappears the second you need it. Real confidence comes from keeping promises to yourself, especially when you don't feel like it. Do it scared. Start even if you feel terrified. That's where transformation begins. And if you survive the first step, congratulations. You might even survive the second. Personally, if I tell you, when I was 21, I moved to a new city with no job, no money, and 0 survival skins. Seriously, I thought instant noodles counted as a food group. I had no idea how to sell anything. I couldn't even sell my grandma on the idea of taking a nap before lunch. But my dwindling bank account left me no choice. I had to learn fast. I read 5 sales books, yes 5, and spent hours practicing. I met mentors, worked long hours, and basically forced myself to act, because apparently fear doesn't pay bills. My first sale? Terrifying. I think I might have sweated a small ocean. The money didn't matter. The feeling of accomplishment came from proving I could do it. That's how confidence is built. Not in fantasy, not in daydreams, and certainly not by staring at your own reflection like a motivational poster. Science of confidence. Small wins. Confidence is like a muscle. You don't flex it once and magically turn into The Rock. You build it over time. Your brain builds confidence from evidence, not wishes. If you've never done something before, your brain is going to scream abort, danger. That's normal. That's survival mode. That's your inner drama queen. Start small. Tiny tweaks. Tiny wins. Make your bed every day for a week. Yes, even if you feel like a bed-making rebel. Small victories stack. Break your goals into small daily steps. Checking off even one tiny accomplishment creates momentum. Even if today your big win is finding matching socks, it counts. Overcoming fear. Emotion follows motion. Too scared to start? Good. Fear is proof that you're about to do something meaningful. Remember this. You act first, the feeling comes second. You don't need to feel fearless. Nobody's fearless. If you see someone who is, they're lying or they're a cartoon. Think of fear as a little friend you carry in your purse. It's wide, but shallow. Feels enormous before the breakthrough, but once you step into action, it shrinks to something manageable. Do it anyway. Take the step, even if it feels like tightrope in clown shoes. That's how dangerous confidence is born. Most importantly, confidence isn't magic. It's earned. Start now. Act scared, and watch yourself become dangerously confident. And if someone asks, just tell them you've been training with a slightly sarcastic, Stickman-friendly life coach. Works every time.